This gorgeous two-story home is located in Northridge, right across the street from a park. This home features an open concept on the main floor, which features a half bath, main floor laundry, kitchen, dining area and living area. The kitchen has tons of cabinets, perfect for storage and an island. You can access the back deck and yard through the dining area. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms, 4-PC main bathroom and the master bedroom. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a 4-PC ensuite. This home has tons of windows which allows the natural light in, whether you are on the main floor or upstairs. Backyard is fully landscaped, a couple of trees, AC for those hot summer days, and in the winter your vehicle will be warm in the heated double-car garage. This home is close